Hello, I'm Danny, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. Today, I'd like to discuss requirement number 2 of the HCBS Final Rule, choice of setting. The requirement states that you have the right to choose where you live. You can choose to live with people with disabilities, people without disabilities, or even by yourself. It's your choice. Let's go back to a time before Lorenzo moved into Sunny Oaks to see how a banjo, a ticking clock, and a set of twins helped him find the perfect home.
Good luck today, dudes.
Thanks, Venus. You ready, dude?
Like, totally. Babe, you sure you want to move out of your parents' house?
Naomi, I have never been more sure in all my life. I love my mother, but she has no boundaries.
Oh, come on. Is she really that bad?
Don't mind me.
Point taken.
I can't wait to live alone. Danny, my service coordinator, sent me a list of places.
I don't know, babe. Are you sure you want to live by yourself?
I'm a lone wolf, baby. Wow, the acoustics in this place are gonna rock.
Uh-huh. Oh, no. My phone's in the car. I promised your mom pictures.
Roomy, roomy, loomy, lonely. Naomi!
Well, lone wolf, you made it 35 seconds. Longer than I expected.
Very funny. Okay. Living alone is not for me. The next is a house full of musicians.
Cool. Let's go meet your new band.
Hit it, boys!
Hey, not so fast. You're a musician. Jam with them. Yeah, maybe that's too much jam.
Venus?
Oh, no. I'm Venus's twin sister, Nova.
Are you the evil twin?
Maybe. This is Maya, Steven, and Dexter.
Welcome home, bud.
I think we should show him the house first, don't you?
This is acceptable.
And finally, this would be your room. As you can see, we have the basic requirements set up, and we can help you decorate it any way you want.
What do you think, babe?
Can we do this?
Oh, we can do this.
Well, babe, what do you think?
It rocks almost as much as you do.
Almost.
Lorenzo made the decision to live at Sunny Oaks. Everyone has the right to choose where they live and what their room looks like. Remember, your planning team strives to be person-centered in all they do. And that person in the center is you.